changes, but style is eternal, and being stylish is a full-time job. Hello and welcome to Hindustan Times Delhi's Most Stylish 2016. I am Zeba Varsi, and I will get you all the glamour and the glitz, all the style and the grace from one of India's most prestigious and most star-studded awards night of the year. From the national capital, where the worlds of business, sports, politics, film and fashion come together to stamp their style statement on the red carpet. What is the first thing that comes to your mind when we say style?
Being yourself.
Simplicity.
Style is not about fashion, but style is really about wearing your confidence on your sleeve.
Who's your style icon?
For guys, it's Danny Denzongpa. For ladies, it's Dimple Kapadia.
Sanjay Dutt. He's somebody who's inherently very, very stylish.
In terms of a cool start, I think I thought of George Clooney the other day.
I love classic movies and I love that Amitabh Bachchan color, that pant, the style is totally different. रिश्ते में तो हम तुम्हारे बाप लगते हैं. नाम है सेंसा.
He decides the trends. बोलते हैं जहाँ से हम शुरू करते हैं लाइन वहीं से शुरू होती है.
This certainly is a celebration of the best of Delhi style, and some celebrities were not only there to support their designer pals, but they also managed to pick an award or two of their own. So let us head inside and show you who picked up the top honors of the night.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's kick things off with the reason we all are here, the Hindustan Times Most Stylish Awards.
I think it's time to begin this evening with the first award. It's an absolute honor to award Vimla Mehra with the Hindustan Times Most Stylish Award 2016. May we have you on stage, ma'am.
I never thought I had a style. It came naturally to me, and if people have seen, that means maybe my confidence was showing. And I'm very happy that simplicity also can be rewarded.
From chefs to top cooks and even a fashion designer, the winners came from all walks of life at the 2016 Delhi edition of HT's Most Stylish.
The next winner. If you take his airline, you'll see the commitment to both punctuality and detail. Aditya Ghosh, you sexy man. You've won this award. Please come on up and get it.
You know, you've heard that joke, right? Behind every successful man is a very surprised wife. At Indigo, behind this award is probably 3,000 very surprised flight attendants. So thank you, Shirin, for giving me that.
Then before we move to the next part of our evening, we are going to take an enchanting little detour.
Get ready to experience the magic of the golden years and a specially curated performance for Hindustan Times Most Stylish 2016. Please give it up for Reese Sebastian and Shalmali Kolgare.
All right, a big hand.
Our next winner acts, drives, starts startups, races, flies, and fights crime. Ladies and gentlemen, please make some noise for the fabulously stylish Kunal Kapoor.
The style game changers of this year included politician Harsimrat Kaur Badal, the new BCCI president Anurag Thakur, and also our very own stylish puglist Vijinder Singh.
अभी जब मैं एंटर हुआ हॉल में तो एक मेरी भाभी है जो लाइक अर्चना भाभी जाने से विजू तेरे को भी अवार्ड मिल रहा है मैं हाँ भाभी लगता है सारे क्रिकेटर अभी IPL खेल रहे हैं इसलिए मेरा चांस मिल गया आपकी बात सो बट एनीवे थैंक यू सो मच
विजेंद्र अगर दम है पंजा लड़ा के दिखा तेरे को दिखाता हूं मैं आइए सर आए 1 मिनट कहां के तुम पहलवान बनते हो ये देखो देसी घी का डब्बा बैठा है सामने अक्षय कुमार आओ देसी घी का पीपा पी के आए अभी कमरे में ऊपर 3 2 500 रुपए की है 5 का 2 एनीबॉडी एल्स रितेश देशमुख पैसे लगा चुके हैं ओनली ऑन अक्षय कुमार अपने बहुत पंजा लड़ा रहे हैं बहुत मेहनत करी है अक्षय कुमार ने आज इको फ्रेंडली ग्रीन कलर के बन के आए बहुत बढ़िया लग रहे हैं अक्षय कुमार विजेंद्र की पैंट की और पीछे कोट की सीम खुलनी शुरू हो चुकी है इतना दम लगा रहे हैं न जाने दम कहां से लग रहा है हाथों का तो दम नहीं है ये एंड देयर वी गो He changed the look of our movies and how for 25 years.
Ladies and gentlemen, presenting my dear friend, the one and only, the incredible Manish Malhotra.
All right, Manish Malhotra.
Welcome back. You're with me, Zeba Varsi, keeping it stylish at Hindustan Times, Delhi's most stylish 2016. Let us head back inside and tell you who else is going home with bragging rights.
Tonight, we give the award to India's most stylish couple, Aishwarya Rai Bachchan and Abhishek Bachchan.
He makes me look good, so thank you.
Who takes more time to get ready?
It takes a village to make me look like this, okay? She just wakes up like that.
Wow. Ash and Abhishek, may I request you to stay on stage to give away the next award, the Style Maverick of India Award. Ladies and gentlemen, the winner of this is none other than Manish Malhotra.
He deserves to be celebrated, absolutely. 25 more years and more.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, with that, we'll be moving on with the next award. Well, this is for the most stylish singer, female. Please welcome Kanika Kapoor.
moving on. Ladies and gentlemen, the winner of the Lawman Page 3 Presents Most Stylish Singer is the one, the only, Yo-Yo Honey Singh.
Yo-Yo Honey Singer. All right, Yo-Yo.
जो तू टिकटॉक टिकटॉक चलती है, माना ये सारी तेरी हाई हील्स की गलती है। रुक तो जा, तू हैंग ऑन, ये तो बता तू है कौन, कहाँ से आई है कहाँ को जाएगी, पागल लड़की मुझे मरवाएगी, बस कर ये जलवे न दिखा, ये सब मैं बहुत देख चुका। तू जैसी तो पट जाती है, फिर दुर्घटना घट जाती है। मैं हूँ स्टाइलिश कुड़िए, खाली मेरा वार नहीं जाता, मुझको ना पहचाने क्यों, तेरे घर एचटी नहीं आता।
Their dressing sense has been an inspiration for country's countless fashionistas. So it was only fair that these lovely ladies of Bollywood took home top honors at HT's Most Stylish. This was one event with style and substance.
I'm very excited about winning this award, but I need to talk about Indian designers and fashion designers and handicrafts and how important it is to kind of promote them on an international platform. And I get the opportunity every year at Cannes. And this sari got the best reviews nationally and internationally. So Indian style, Indian fashion, Indian women, Indian men are the best dressed, most inventive, most creative, and nothing beats a sari. So thank you. Thank you so much, guys, for this award.
All right, moving on to the next award.
All right, ladies and gentlemen.
Even in the briefest interactions with him, his charming, funny, and crazy brand of cool will stay with you long after he's left the room. And it's something that the Desi Martini viewers agree with as well. Because Abhishek Bachchan, you've won the Above.com presents Desi Martini Viewers' Choice Award. Please come up and get it.
It's always wonderful when you're given an award for style when your idol is sitting in the audience. So thank you, Pa, for teaching me everything about style.
Yeah, yeah.
And most importantly, for teaching me that it has absolutely nothing to do with clothes and absolutely everything to do with heart and your mind and the way you carry yourself. So, but thank you very much. Manish, don't try and say anything witty. I will stab you with this award.
Yes, thank you, Abhishek. I love you too.
And thank you very much. Have a wonderful evening. And it's great to get it from this gentleman who's just an absolute rock star. Gurubaji.
Abhishek, next time Manish Paul और आपका कबड्डी challenge. Next time.
Abhishek.
Abhi?
Abhishek challenge.
Abhi? Karo.
Yo, kabaddi.
Come on. All right. You know, come on.
You want to do that,
Yeah,
Abhishek? मैं आपको टच करके वापस जाऊंगा। अगर आपने मुझे पकड़ लिया, जो बोलो। अक्षय कुमार का सूट आपको गिफ्ट। सॉरी सर, अगर हार गए तो अभी देना पड़ेगा, मेरी गलती नहीं है। आ रहा हूं। हाँ, कबड्डी 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 कबड्डी। I know I'm so good. People want to shake hands with me. I always knew that. Thank you so much, Abhishek. Thanks a lot.
Thanks, Avi. That's exactly what I was waiting for. Thank God. Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for the one and only Abhishek Bachchan. All right.
Akshay Kumar, you have won the award for our most stylish superstar.
विश्वास नहीं होता कि पिछले साल भी मैं इसी मंच पर आया था ये ऐसा ही कुछ अवार्ड लेने एंड हर साल मुझे एक स्टाइलिश के हिसाब से यहाँ बुलाते हैं। बहुत अच्छा लगता है। अपने पुराने दिन याद आते हैं, चांदनी चौक के दिन याद आते हैं जब सिर्फ ट्रैक पैंट पहन के घूमा करता था। एंड थैंक यू वेरी मच माय मदर इन लॉ बिकॉज आपकी बेटी ने मुझे इतना स्टाइलिश बना दिया, वरना मैं किस खेत की मूली। एंड बस थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Ladies and gentlemen, moving on to a very special award because we're not just honoring a recipient, it's a bunch of recipients. Could I please have up on stage the cast of Houseful 3 because they won the award for Audi Presents Most Stylish Ensemble Cast. The award for the most stylish entertainer goes to
the one and only
Ritesh
Deshmukh. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, I think for the next ones, may I please invite on stage Sonal Kalra, National Head Entertainment and Lifestyle, to announce the Legend Awards.
I'm doing the thankless task of doing an introduction where none is needed, that of the living legends. And I'll start with the Living Legend Male Award. Give a big round of applause to the living legend male, Jackie Shroff.
Don't want to say much. Long way home. From the time when I used to walk the streets and I used to wear clogs, which was 4.5 inches, and elephant pants. And dog, कुत्ते लोग भौंकते थे. आज स्टेज पे अवार्ड मिल रहा है, इसलिए पूछा था कि कौन दे रहा है. But thank you so much. It's really fabulous.
Thank you so much. The Living Legend Female Award is for a woman who has style in every single thing that she does. And I think she's just style personified. May I please have on stage the living legend style, Dimple Kapadia. And to give away this award, may I please request the chairman of jury, Sunil Sethi, to come on stage to give this award, please.
Wow, thank you. Absolutely. 43 years and I really appreciate it and it's a great day. Thank you. Thank you very much.
I don't think words will ever do justice, so I would just spare him the misery of going through something which he may have heard millions of times in the award functions. But can I please have the loudest round of applause this room has ever heard for Mr. Amitabh Bachchan, our timeless style icon. Could I please request Ustad Amjad Ali Khan and Rajiv Verma, the CEO of HD Media Limited, to do the honors, please.
Thank you, Hindustan Times, for this recognition. In the presence of so many distinguished style and fashion icons, I feel a little out of place, but I'm truly honored and very blessed for your kind words. These wonderful epithets that you design are not meant for me. They're meant for so many others who are more deserving, but I'm very happy to be here. Thank you so much.
May I please request Akshay Kumar and Sonam Kapoor to join us on stage. Today is the day when we are relaunching, after 2008, the new look of HT City and Cafe.